Hi guys, welcome back to today's video, and in today's video we are going to be taking it back in time, and we're going to go back to the basics, and I'm going to show you guys how to do a Dutch braid on your doll's hair today, and I'm also going to show you how to do a French braid on your doll's hair today. And I wanted to do this video because there's so many people out there that don't know how to braid hair, how to do hair, and that's why I created my channel, so that I can, teach you guys, and we can also learn together, because I don't know how to do like everything. I'm not a professional. I had to figure out how to braid hair and do my doll's hair like all by myself. I didn't have anybody to teach me, so I want it to be different for you guys, and I want to give you guys the knowledge on like how to do your doll's hair, how to braid, and how to do cute hairstyles, because the holiday season is coming up, and who wouldn't want to have a pretty hairstyle to go with a pretty outfit, and or you have your doll to have a pretty hairstyle to go with their pretty outfit. So that's what we're doing today, but I want you guys down in the comments below before this video starts to let me know if you would like for me to make this into a little mini series, and I will do so. To comment what like braids and or any tutorial you would like to see be done, and I will. Things I don't know, I think it would be a fun little adventure for both of us to figure out how to do. So yeah, enough of that, and let's go ahead and get started with the video. Okay, for starters, you obviously want to start out with having your doll's hair like brushed out and sprayed out with a spray bottle. I did that before this video started, just so that we can be saving some time today. And the tools that you're going to need, you can get, or you can get a little comb. I like to use your fingers. Doesn't have to be perfect. If you like, on the first try, it's not going to be like absolutely perfect, but as time goes on, you'll get it down, girl, and you'll be braiding like nobody's business. And then you'll also need some hair elastics, just two. I'm going to show you how to do 2 Dutch braids today instead of like doing just like the one. But if you would like a tutorial on how to do like one big like Dutch braid, then like I said earlier in the video, let me know and I would do that for you. So first, you're going to start out with parting your doll's hair, sectioning it off, and you can get a little clippy. I recommend, like if you're first starting out, to get a little clippy to separate the hair so that everybody is staying in their place. Everybody has a place to go to. So yeah, and it'll be like a little bit confusing if like you just leave like the other side out, and so secure that away, and I'm going to do so, and I will come right back. Okay, so I sectioned off. Her hair is all like split off and I went through brushing Siobhan's hair again, because Siobhan has like wavyish, curlyish hair, so her hair tends to like get very like knotty, so keep the brush like on standby. And maybe the spray bottle, you may need it, you may not, just depends. So now that you have the hair sectioned off, what you're going to do is you're going to get a section of hair from the top, and you can have it be as big as you want and or how small you want. I would recommend, if you're starting out like braiding, to like make the section like bigger, because I don't know, I just feel like that's a little bit easier if you like do so. Yeah, and then you're going to split it into 3s, and let me make sure we have the camera angles right so you can see. You're going to split it into 3 sections. They don't have to be perfectly even. Just split them off to 3, but obviously you don't want one section to be bigger than, like, have too much hair than the other, because then later on in the braid you're going to be running into problems with that. And what you're going to do, you're going to take this side right here, and you're going to go under. Okay, so you're going to go under, and then you're going to take this portion of hair and you're going to take it under up over there, and then your 2 like outer pieces, you're going to grab hair from the sides, like just a little bit, not too much. The more hair you grab, the thicker the braid will like be, as opposed to like if you grab like a smaller section. And I hope that you guys can see this. Yeah, so you're going to, and then you're going to do just like you were doing before. You're going to take this section and you're going to cross it under, and then you're going to take the other section of the hair that you got from the outer and you're going to cross it under as well. And hold on, her hair is very naughty. Sorry, her hair was like getting like naughty and a little bit annoying, so you're just going to like basically keep doing this until you get like all the way down the like to the end. You're just going to keep like crossing like the sides over, and then like you push the middle piece is going to come to like this side. Like everything switches over a row. And so yeah, I hope you guys can see this. So I'm going to put this in fast motion because you like don't want to see this like going so slow like this, and like you don't want to be sitting in silence. So we're going to pause here. I'm gonna put it in fast motion and we're going to keep going, and then we'll come back for the other side. Okay, so we're towards the bottom and there's no more hair to be adding in. So what we're going to do is just continue on the process of wrapping the hair like under, like everybody's switching a lane, and you're just not going to be adding any hair to it. So yeah. Just like that. And at this point you're just braiding until you're ready to secure it off, basically. And like I said, everybody switching one lane, going one lane over. And now it's time to tie it off because we're towards the end. And there are probably going to be hairs that's sticking out towards the bottom, and that's totally fine. It's totally normal. If it bothers you, you can take your spray bottle and spray them a little bit. And yeah. So one side is now done. Look at her, look at her. And now on to this side, and I am going to do it in fast motion. Okay, so we have now finished, and this is what the Dutch braid is looking like. And like I said, if this is your first time doing it, it probably isn't going to be perfect, and it may not even necessarily look all the way like this, but just keep practicing, and I promise you, you will get better and have some really good Dutch braids. And so yeah, and so now we're going to move on, switch gears to doing a French braid, and I'm gonna get another doll in my collection to show you how to French braid. So for you it's gonna be 2 seconds, but for me, I'm going to go and pick the right contestant right now. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do a French braid, and before we get started into doing the French braid, I have to be so honest with you. I learned, like, my first braid that I ever did, like, learned how to do was a French braid, but like French braided Coco's hair, but there's a first for everything, and I guess that's going to be today. So a French braid is literally kind of the same like a Dutch braid, except you're going in instead of like going out with the hair, if you know what I mean. So yeah, so we're going to section her hair off, and then we're going to get into it. Okay, so same thing again. You're going to grab a section of hair at the top, and actually, well, yeah, at the top, and you're going to split it into 3. I hope you guys can see this. The sun is like really out right now, so like I hope it's not like glary on camera. Okay, and you're going to get your 3 sections, and instead of going out, you're going to go in with it and cross them over, everybody switching lanes, and you're going to pick up hair along the way on both sides, on like the outer sides, and you're going to cross it over, and you may need your comb to like smooth it out. Okay, hope you guys can see. Oh my goodness, why is all their hair like wanting to get like knotted and stuck on me today? It's not very nice. And you're going to keep going, adding the hair, and I think this is like good to like stop it right now where I'm at and speed it up for you guys, because you're probably bored out of your mind just watching this. So I'm gonna speed it up and we'll be back, alright? Okay, this side is done, and it actually looks like a French braid. So now onto this side, and I'm gonna do it in fast motion so you guys aren't bored. So let's go. Okay, so this is the finished result of the French braids. And so, yeah. In me doing these French braids on Coco, I definitely need to get in practicing how to French braid myself, because it's not absolutely perfect, but I mean, it is a French braid, so yeah. Hopefully you guys found these tutorials helpful, and I was able to teach you how to braid if you don't already. And if you do, well, maybe you learned a little something. I don't really know. So yeah, hopefully you liked this video and it was very informative to you. And if you would like for me to continue on making these types of videos, please let us know by commenting and liking. And if you aren't already, please subscribe, and be sure to check out the description box down below so that you can have all the links to connect with us in real time. And I'm like more active on TikTok of making videos, but I'm trying to get back in the groove of making videos here. So yeah, just be on the lookout. And with that being said, we'll see you very soon with another video. So bye guys.